for CRZ and 2008 हे केलं तो ये
CMan किती म्हणला CMan म्हणला during my tenure we have not granted any approvals. I believe and I accept the word of the Honorable Chief Minister of God, Dr. Pramod. But today I have seen on social media that they say in the year 2008, if I remember correctly, on 8th August 2008, the CRZ authority has issued, in 15th February 2008 and 8th August 2008, the CRZ authority, the Environment Department, has issued 2 NOCs to the today what we call the Bhutani project. Though at that time I think it was some other people owned the name. I challenge anybody to produce the NOCs because I categorically state that the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has not issued any NOC to anybody regarding this particular project. It's an open challenge I'm throwing. Whoever is alleging that may produce the NOCs.